Look at me! I am riding a big, colorful bus today. I love window seats. Oh, look! A sweet grandpa just came in. Oh no, Grandpa is looking for a seat, but everyone is looking away. That's not nice. Don't worry, Grandpa. You can take my seat. Yay! Helping others makes my heart so happy. Bye-bye, friends.
Oh no, it's so cold side. That poor little child is shivering.
Mommy, let's share. I want to give my warm jacket and toy to make them happy. Here you go, friend. A warm jacket just for you. Yay! Sharing is caring. Helping others makes my heart so happy. Bye-bye. Look, Mommy. Our village food stand is ready. Free food for everyone.
Huh?
Oh, look, some tired friends are coming. Come here, please. Here you go, Grandpa. Enjoy the yummy sandwich. Eat up. Feeding hungry friends makes my heart so happy. Bye-bye, village friends. Vroom, vroom. Look at my fast toy car go. Oh no! The beautiful vase broke! What do I do now? No. Hiding is not good. I feel so sad. Mommy, I am sorry. It was an accident.
I broke the vase with my toy car.
Mommy forgave me because I told the truth. Telling the truth feels so good. Yay! Always tell the truth, friends. It makes everyone happy. Bye-bye. Wow! Look at the big mountains. Let's go on an adventure, friends. Running is so much fun. Up, up, up the hill we go. Yay! Time to splash in the water. Let's go. Look. I see the big blue sea. It's so beautiful. Wow, I am swimming like a little fishy. Say hello to the dolphin. Yay! Adventures make me strong and happy. Bye-bye, friends.